Back to BlueWhaleCrypto. Today in this video we will talk about Bitcoin in depth because the bull run is about to begin. What are the things, why the Bitcoin dumped, to every single thing I will explain you in this video. So this video is going to be very informative. Do make sure to watch this video without skipping it. Make sure to like this video and show your love in the comment section. Let's get into it. Let's get into the BTC chart and get to know what exactly is going around with the Bitcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin, as I informed you in this chart, we were in the right in the falling wedge. Why we have broken down? It is just because there was a FUD inside the market. The US banking system was failing, they are still failing out, and we have seen the biggest fake out on the Bitcoin. That was because of the FUD of the Silvergate. Previously in these days, what we have seen, you have every single thing. I've been updating you on the Telegram. I've been quite busy and I was not able to provide you regular videos from past 2-3 days, but I've been informing you each and every update about the market on the Telegram. So this update was also provided to you on Telegram, on which I provided you BlockFi Crypto Bank has 227 million in now collapsed with the Silicon Valley Bank. Nearly 50% of the ventures capital backed startups in the US has exposed because of the Silicon Valley Bank. Now Binance temporarily suspended auto conversion of USDC to BUSD, setting market conditions and high inflows. You guys already know that the USDC was depacked and it went below 0.90. Okay, so this was the reason we have seen a huge dump, or this kind of dump inside the market, because there was so much panic inside the market, right? As you can see, the circle confirms 3.3 billion of the 40 billion USDC reserves are in the collapse with the Silicon Valley Bank. Full story was been there informed in the Telegram. Coinbase temporarily paused USDC and to USD conversion. Crypto stable coin USDC and DIA and USDD all trading pair below 0.95. So these were the all biggest reasons because of which we have seen so many FUDs, and that's the reason we have seen this kind of huge fake out below this important key support level for the Bitcoin. That was not supposed to happen, guys, because many people had tried to short the Bitcoin from the top, or that was 25 to $24,000, and it should not go that low. It was just because of the FUD, it was just because of the financial markets like the S&P 500, the global market were going down, and due to which the Bitcoin had dropped. Right at this moment, the financial market are not even able to recover that much, but because of the fact of the bank, as the money is not safe inside the banks, people are switching to Bitcoin. They are switching inside the crypto. New money is getting inside the crypto. USDC had again packed back to the $1, which is very good sign, guys. So this is the power of crypto, guys. Many people in the upcoming days will gonna adopt it. Biggest institution will now gonna adopt it, and I believe this could be a turning point for the Bitcoin. When nobody was believing in me, I was believing in Bitcoin, and even though with this fake out, I informed to my premium family. You can see the setup right here. I'm also going to show you. So this was the setup that I shared with my premium family. That was right at the bottom, guys. That was nearly around $19,000. So from the 19,000, if you see, if you calculate, I have been it's been performing more than 3,000% of profit, guys. I'm sitting in a huge profit, doing nothing, just analyzing that the market had made its bottom. People were still getting so bearish. They were still trying to short Bitcoin when it was nearly at the bottom, guys. That was not the point. That was not the time we need to short Bitcoin. I simply made longs, being patient. I know what kind of move can Bitcoin can make, and 33% is up from that point itself, 33%, and that's why I am in a profit of 3,300% with the 125x leverage. You know that I probably do take some kind of risk because I'm able to do that. It's not a financial advice. Nothing I provide on this video is a financial advice, guys. Let's talk about what is the next portable. I'm sorry. What is the next move for the Bitcoin? What we can expect from the Bitcoin? Before that, we also need to understand why Bitcoin had dumped straight to these levels. So this was the previous low for the Bitcoin. Okay, this was the previous low, and there was a gap. You can see there was a gap which had got filled, but now there is a new gap, which is a concerning thing for the Bitcoin, because usually all the gaps get filled soon and later, guys. So probably we can see this gap to get filled nearly in few days, or it could be in the next cycle or any other day. Okay, so this could actually happen, so we have to make sure about it. However, now what we are watching out, the Bitcoin is reaching to its high, where I can possibly think there is going to be rejection for the Bitcoin. While the whole market is getting bullish now, we need to understand, guys, there are some rejection levels. Even though we have broken out 25k, $25,200 has been broken out for the Bitcoin, the market is pretty bullish at this moment. Okay, guys, the CPI data had came out positive. Every single thing was being updated to you guys on the Telegram. However, this is the zone. I still believe the Bitcoin get a rejection, guys. Nobody's going to talk about this right now. Everybody's going to get bullish. Everybody's going to go blind. Why I will look for a little scalp short opportunity at this point is just because this is the range. I believe we can see probably a rejection. At least it doesn't mean if we have broken at $25,000, we can still get a rejection from $26,600 to $26,000. So within this range, I can the current rate for the Bitcoin is $25,895, guys, and the rejection level that I believe is going to be from 26,000 to $26,600. Okay, within this range, if you want, you can look for a small short scalp trade. Now this thing will not going to be talked about inside the whole market, guys. Nobody's going to talk about this because everybody's right now bullish. They want to talk about they will be going higher up to $28,000 to $30,000. Yes, that is possible, guys. That is totally possible, guys. But look, what I'm talking about is RSI. The last time RSI had reached to this level of 85, we have seen a significant drop. Probably 2 to 5% of drop, you can scalp it, you can book your profit. I'm talking about the scalping purpose, guys. I'm not talking about it going to drop down totally to 20,000 or 21,000, but you can still scalp it, guys. You can scalp it up to 25,000 if you are having an entry, okay, at 26,000, and you have another entry at $26,600. That means your average entry is going to be at $26,300. From that level up to $25,000. If you're having, it's a good scalp opportunity. We have to work according to the market. However, this thing is going to be against the trend, as the trend of the market is right now bullish and had broken out all the lows. All the short-term bearish move is being broken out from the Bitcoin. Okay, so this is a very risky setup. If you're willing to take, you can take it, guys. Okay, coming up with the next that I will talk about is going to be Ethereum. So Ethereum is pretty bullish, guys. This is the thing that I was talking about previously. Many time I've been talking about. There is a huge break fake out below this range. Because of the FUD inside the markets, we have seen a huge fake out below the range. Right now, it is also reaching out to a resistance zone. The entry zone for the Bitcoin, for the Ethereum that I will look for is probably going to be $1,700 for the Ethereum. It is a very good opportunity to take a long position from $1,680 to $1,700. This is a very good long opportunity that I will be looking for. I'm not going to look out any short opportunity inside the Ethereum because I believe Ethereum is pretty bullish right at this moment. I have some of my reasons. I'll talk about this to my premium family and as well as on my Telegram. If you need detailed information, do make sure to like this video and ask me in the comment section. Alright, guys, I want to also want something from you guys. Guys, I've been providing you very informative content on a daily basis. It takes a lot of energy, it takes a lot of effort to provide you such kind of information. All I need is, guys, one like, one comment from each of you guys. I see I don't have much of a view, which makes me feel a little less to make such videos, such informative videos for you guys. But if you show me love, guys, I'll make every single day, because it's just the beginning of the bull run, guys. I can make a lot of money alone. But if you also, guys, need a lot of money to make on every single day, I need a comment and a like on all of our videos. If you do that every single day, I'll be providing you many much informative videos, and as well, so that will know nobody else will be talking about. Okay, guys. So this was it, and we will switch on to the next thing, that is going to be E-mini futures, that is SPX index E-mini futures, which is now after getting a multiple rejections. Let me show you this. Okay, let me show you something. You can clearly see this, right? We again got we just got a breakout, and once we got a breakout below above the zone, we have made a successful retest to the zone, and which shows that we are still in bullish. Inflation rate is getting into the shape. We have not got anything positive, we have not got something negative, because the US want to save their banks. Right at this moment there is a high risk of recession, so the Fed needs to take a slow pace on the interest rate. Might be they will not be taking any more rate hikes in upcoming months, or they will be looking for 25 basis point. That will be very nice, and that's why we can see a possible potential upside move inside the price of Bitcoin and inside the price of rest of the crypto market. However, crypto looks very much bullish at this moment. Taking any shorts will be very not so much recommended, and I will be looking out for many long opportunities inside the price of Bitcoin and rest of the crypto like altcoins, that I will surely gonna be sharing it with you guys on my premium family. They are surely gonna get many scalping signals and swing signals in the upcoming days. Even if you guys need in the free Telegram channel or on the YouTube, all I need is one comment from each of you guys, okay? And I will be surely gonna be letting you know about that. Moreover, in the short term reaction for this move is that the Binance funding rate, the current funding rate is getting positive, that is 292, which is way too much high, and we can see a pullback inside the price of Bitcoin that is very healthy right now. People are getting blindly bullish at this moment, and there is a significant uptrend inside the price of Bitcoin from last 2 days, so we can see a significant pullback inside the price of Bitcoin, and which is the point I'll be looking for a good long opportunity inside the price of Bitcoin. Thank you so much guys for joining today's video. Do let me know how you feel about the video, and what you have. Is it a bull market or is it a bull trap? Let me know inside the comment section. Further updates are going to be giving out to you in my Telegram and in my YouTube channel. Bye bye guys.